Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about a hot topic: will ChatGPT replace programmers' job? Did you know? In particular, over the internet, chatbots are computer programs that replicate conversations with human users. They can be used for a range of tasks, such as customer support, information delivery, and entertainment, and they can be linked into chat apps, websites, and mobile apps. Natural language processing, NLP, technologies are used by chatbots to comprehend user input and reply to it. Artificial intelligence's NLP discipline studies how computers and human, natural, languages interact. It entails the creation of models and algorithms that can analyze, produce, and comprehend human language. The evolution of chatbots and GPT models across time. The idea of chatbots has been around for a while, but the development of artificial intelligence and natural language processing technologies has only lately led to their widespread acceptance. Eliza, the first chatbot, was created by Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT in the 1960s. Eliza was a straightforward chatbot that produced responses to user inputs through pattern matching and replacement. Chatbots developed throughout the ensuing decades, becoming more capable of managing complicated interactions. In 2018, OpenAI created the GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, a particular kind of chatbot. It is built on a transformer, a machine learning model that was initially created for jobs involving natural language processing, such machine translation. By anticipating the following word in a sequence based on the context of the preceding words, GPT can produce language that resembles that of a human. Without being specifically trained for each activity, GPT may also complete a variety of language tasks like translation, summarization, and question answering. The fact that chatbots and GPT models are only as good as the data they are trained on is one of their limitations. The chatbot or GPT model may produce biased or erroneous results if the training data is biased or lacking. The inability of chatbots and GPT models to comprehend the environment or context in which they are employed is another drawback. This can result in misunderstandings or improper responses. An examination of the possibility for automating programming jobs with chatbots and GPT. It is possible to automate some programming chores, such code generation and debugging, using chatbots and GPT models. Some chatbots can already help with basic coding chores like producing code snippets or making suggestions for changes to already written code. GPT models may be used to write code or produce technical documentation since they can produce language that resembles human speech. Chatbots and GPT models won't be able to completely replace human programmers anytime soon, though. Problem solving and critical thinking are highly valued skills in programming that chatbots and GPT models struggle to mimic. Furthermore, chatbots and GPT models might not have a comprehensive understanding of the domain in which the code will be used, which is a requirement for programming. Analyzing how chatbots and GPT affect employment and the programming industry. There may be job displacement in the programming profession if chatbots and GPT models are able to automate some programming jobs. But it's also conceivable that the use of chatbots and GPT may result in the new programming positions being created, as businesses may require human programmers to build and maintain chatbots and GPT models. It's also critical to keep in mind that chatbots and GPT would not entirely displace human programmers, but rather complement them by automating some processes and freeing them up to work on more challenging and imaginative projects. Chatbots and GPT for programming tasks, advantages and disadvantages. Using chatbots and GPT models for programming problems has both advantages and disadvantages. Increased productivity and accuracy are two potential advantages, as chatbots and GPT models do not get tired or make mistakes like people do. Additionally, they are able to work non-stop and don't need breaks or vacation time. Using chatbots and GPT for programming tasks, however, could also have some disadvantages. They may still need human monitoring and maintenance, as was already indicated, and they might not be able to completely replace human programmers. They might also find it difficult to do activities that call either original thought or topic expertise. Furthermore, chatbots and GPT models might not always be able to comprehend the situation or setting in which they are being used, which could result in misunderstandings or improper responses. Comparison of the productivity and precision of human programmers versus chatbots and GPT. Because it relies on the particular task at hand as well as the abilities and experience of the human programmer, it is challenging to evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of chatbots and GPT models to human programmers. However, in general, Chatbots and GPT models could be able to complete some tasks faster and more precisely than people, particularly those that require repetitive or boring work. On the other hand, tasks that call for original problem-solving or domain-specific knowledge may be better suited for human programmers. A lot of ethical and social issues are brought up by the usage of chatbots and GPT models in programming jobs. One issue is job displacement, as the automation of some programming processes may result in the loss of employment opportunities for programmers. It is crucial to take into account the potential effects on employment and to make sure that workers who may be impacted are given the support and training they need to transition to other roles. The potential for chatbots and GPT models to reinforce bias and discrimination is a further ethical concern. Chatbots and GPT models may produce biased results if the training data used to create the models was skewed. To reduce the potential of bias, it's crucial to make sure that chatbots and GPT models are trained on a variety of sample data. Investigating potential future improvements in chatbot and GPT technologies. It is anticipated that chatbot and GPT technology will continue to progress and eventually be able to handle a larger variety of jobs, including programming skills. It's feasible that in the future, chatbots and GPT models will be able to completely replace or at least greatly supplement human programmers for a variety of functions. It's also likely that chatbots and GPT models will continue to have limits and will only be able to carry out a limited range of programming tasks. In conclusion, it seems doubtful that human programmers will completely be replaced by chatbots and GPT models anytime soon, while they may be able to automate some programming chores. It is likely that chatbots and GPTs will be able to perform an ever wider range of jobs, including programming skills, as technology for them and similar systems continues to progress. In the future, it's feasible that chatbots and GPT models will be able to completely replace human programmers for some jobs, or at the very least greatly enhance their productivity. However, it is also feasible that chatbots and GPT models will continue to have restrictions and may only be able to carry out specific kinds of programming jobs. I hope this video was helpful in any way. Also consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video.